Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this interpretation. The first thing, we need to put the limit 8 approach to positive infinity. So we have the interpretation from number 1 to 8. We know that the interpretation of 1 over s squared, that is about negative 1 over s, and we put the bounds from number 1 to 8. So I will put a and number 1 gone here. So when 8 approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0. And we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.